Do you want to know how you can archive a post on Telegram? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can archive a post on Telegram. Go ahead and open Telegram, which is on your phone. Then click on the three lines which you can see on the left hand side and go to your profile. If you scroll down, you can see posts. Go ahead and click on one of your posts and click on the three lines on the top right hand side. You can see that there is option of hide my view. Go ahead and click hide my view, which is over here. Or you can also click on remove from profile if your hide my view feature is not unlocked, as you need stealth mode or premium mode to do this. So go ahead and click on the three lines, go ahead and click remove from profile, and you can see that if you go to archive post, your post is over here. So this is how you archive a post on Telegram. All you need to do is go to post and click on the three lines and go to this option. So you can go to post, which is over here, click on it, click on the three dots and click on remove from profile. This way it will directly go to the archive posts over here. I hope this video about how you can archive a post on Telegram was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.